In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to assign a created player to any team or free agency. So first of all, we need to go to features, and under it we'll find an option called create a player. So first of all, create a NBA player or WNBA player. So I'm just gonna create a NBA player here, and from here you can create a new player. I have already created a player. You can see his name, which is Jeremy Reeves. His age is 21 and rating is 83, and I want to assign this player to different team or free agency. So for that we need to go back from here, and now we need to go to create roster option, and from here choose any of the era. I'm just gonna go for modern current era, and then I'm gonna select this one, which is official 2K roster, or you can choose any of the roster from here. Then we wanna find the created player, and to find that here we need to press LT on Xbox or L2 on PlayStation, and then we can filter it by created players. You can see the player here. Now in case you want to assign him to different theme, then for that press A key on your Xbox, or you can basically select him here, and then from these options you can copy him to any free agency, or if you want to copy him to any team, then for that select the second option, which is copy -- player to team. So I'm just gonna select that option here. Now let's say I want to copy him to Chicago Bulls, then for that I can just select that. But you can see this team already have 15 players, which is the maximum limit for a team to have. So basically only 15 players can be available in each team. So that's why I need to firstly remove any of the player from that team, then I can add this player there. So for that I need to go back from here, and I wanna find Chicago Bulls here. So Chicago Bulls will be here. Now let's say I wanna empty a space here, so I wanna remove this player, then I can just select that, and from these options I need to select this option, which is release this player to free agency, then confirm that, and the player will be released. Now again go to the created players, select your player and click on copy player to team, and then select the team you wanna copy him to. So this is the team, then confirm the assignation, and your player will be assigned to that team, If I go to Chicago Bulls, then you can find Jeremy Reeves here. So I just need to scroll down and you can see that player here. And to save this roster, we need to press the middle button on our PlayStation or Xbox controller, and then it will ask you to create your file. Just tap on that and enter your file name, and you can save this from here, and your roster will be saved with the player you have created. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.